Good morning. This is Elton, the owner from Worldwide Hair Hub, and we're back to you on another live episode on basically how to put back your system to reuse the same tape. That's what this is. This particular video is going to be about. So those of you who are following my channel, thank you first of all for following me, and secondly, you would notice that in my previous video, what I did was I ended up removing my system last night, where I didn't use any alcohol or C22 to remove my system. That way, when I put it up back on the next morning, which is this morning, what will end up happening is I have not damaged the tape or anything. So it's still good. So here is my system that I removed last night. Okay. And so all you're really gonna do is you're just gonna grab a blow dryer and you're gonna blow dry all the way around. So basically the goal of this is you want to blow dry all the way around the border. So you're gonna reactivate the glue that's on the system. So, and also when you do blow dry, make sure that it is on like a little bit of a warmer air, not too cold. So we're just blow drying the border. Right, and all we're really, so also when you want to hold this, you want to hold this like on the hair. You don't want to touch the tape, because you want to keep the tape as sticky as possible. And this is the front of the system, so we're gonna kind of hold the borders, like the tips over here, and then we're just gonna line it up. So I've been wearing hair long enough. For people that are new to this, just take 3 fingers, and that's kind of where your hair system starts. So you want to line it up one temple, you want to line it up to the other temple, and you just press down. That's it. And then from the back, if you line up the front, realistically, the back's going to be good as well too. So there you go. That's it. And then obviously you style it to make sure it's for whatever style you want. Okay. But that's it. That's how simple it is. If you press it down, it's pretty good. You give it a couple of minutes, you just leave it in. You just want to basically press down the borders, and that's it. You have your system back on. You didn't have to spend too much time with it, and voila. There you go. So if you are particular and you're like, hey, I can kind of see that tape, just take your fingers and just press it down. Okay, and then just 3 fingers, guys. Push in and push down. Push in and push down. Push in and push down. And that's it. We're good. We're good again. Okay? That's it. And another thing that I do want to tell hair wearers out there, it doesn't have to be perfect. People that have been wearing hair for long enough, they understand this concept. But, for all of you first-time hair wearers, the biggest challenge that we face is that we want to make it perfect. Just think back that when, those days that you did have your own hair, it was never perfect every single day. So don't try to make a hair system perfect. If you do try to make a hair system perfect, it's going to be a giveaway. Anyways, thanks guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for following. Once again, it's Elton. I'm the owner of Worldwide Hair Hub. I'm out here in India, in Bangalore to be specific, and do drop me some comments, some questions, stuff that you want to see, so on and so forth. Okay, thanks guys, take care.